want to share to you my invented recipe for today. For those who can't go out, and if you have extra canned foods like this Alaskan salmon, and I just put this is the mixture. So I just put amaranth flour, onions, garlic, pepper, black pepper and hot pepper, salt and a little soy sauce. And so just cook it in a medium heat because all the food there can be eaten raw anyway. And I also use this almond oil because it could resist high heat, 450 degrees. So you got to check this almond oil. And here is the finished product. Yes, it's too good. Okay, and you just have to cook it for like less than 5 minutes or 5 minutes. Flip it at 2.5 minutes. So to see how easy it's already done on a medium heat again. Okay. So here's another one. Okay, that's it. And I partnered that with my favorite Shanghai rice, of course, with celery, onions, parsley in there. I also dash it with curry powder. Okay, thank you so much. And again, this is Ticolette, and I'm here in California. I hope this helps for us who are all quarantined. Okay, stay home, keep safe. Bye bye.